One thing I thought about walking through here, and this is going to go to like your circle of influence. I want to talk to you about finding a circle of influence of top players or people that live frugal to help you keep centered on living frugal, earning, saving, and investing, which again is the path to financial freedom. But I want you to think about just in general, entire countries or entire societies and how they can make you completely shift. Right now, you can see here, there are houses all the way up on this mountain. These people, I can guarantee you, aren't concerned with the latest, fancy bag, the latest watch. They're not necessarily looking at sports all day long. They're literally just sitting here, having a cup of coffee, journaling, writing a book, just otherwise enjoying life. Staying where we're staying actually right now, I told the wife, I'm like, you know what, I could buy 30 or 40 acres and build a really nice, beautiful, modern home up in here and just wake up every single morning, make myself a great breakfast, hang out, look at the mountains, stare at the clouds. Sounds boring, but it's extremely peaceful. When you don't have all the noise and all the just everything that's going on, all the competition, all of the crap that you get in a major city, London, Paris, United States, Atlanta, New York, Miami, whatever. You don't have all that noise and the competition and I gotta look this way and I gotta put stuff on Instagram and I get this many likes and just the bickering and anger and just the divisiveness that we have. These people live in a completely different world. Here in Peru is the same thing. People attended their alpacas, they attended their goats, farm their land. How was that? Simple life. It was about family and just enjoying each other. Not telling everyone to go out here and move on the mountains. I know how this sounds. What I'm saying to you is you got to have a perception, what you care about and what's getting you and your daily emotions, what you're interested in can completely change depending on your circle of influence, who you're around, but also just the overall society where you're in. Even if you choose a good circle of influence, if that circle of influence is still in Miami, you're still going to be impacted by that Miami vibe, whatever that is. If you are in Tokyo, Tokyo. If you are in here, small village here. I can still center around myself with like-minded people in this area, but this area still has a vibe or a culture to it that's also going to be sort of a baseline to what that is. So I'm not sure if I'm explaining this correctly, but it is what it is.